I'm on.
Hi, I'm David Hart with RamAir International. Now, if you've used the RamAir system or if you've watched our videos, you're familiar with our vacuum box, which contains the debris as it's coming out and also creates a stage, so to speak, for the dust and debris as it's coming out so the homeowner can see the debris as it's coming out of the ducts. It's also illuminated with LED lights, which really gives it that wow factor. Now, most register covers are the perfect size for this to fit on, whether it be the ceiling, the wall, or the floor. But sometimes we get oversized registers. In this case, an older home would have a duct about this size. I'm going to show you how to do that without creating a mess. It's very simple. There's these foam blocks that we offer that are in various sizes for different size duct openings. It goes just like this. Take the register cover off. Turn on your power vac system. As you can see, it's too small. But there's a space right here where the debris would come out. So I'm going to fill in those gaps. Just like that. Now this hose, the flex jet, of course, self-propels itself down to the ducts. I'm just guiding it down and then pull it straight back.